Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. You better have your snacks and you better buckle up because this is going to be a wonderful journey to your spiritual destination. So, my channel name is Spiritual Route 13. My name is Chris Bunker and I'm just going to get right into it. Taurus, this is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Take what resonates and leave the rest behind for somebody else, okay? So, I'm using the Good Tarot deck as we speak. And I'm just gonna see how your guys' energy is and just pick up on that. Full disclaimer, I do not go based off the guidebooks from my tarot or oracles, okay? So, I just go based off energy, how I feel from those cards, what those cards are just making me feel, and I'm just gonna say whatever is on my mind. Okay, Taurus? Sorry, that was my dog. Alright, Taurus, how are they feeling as we speak? Taurus, woo! The Magician card. I'm gonna pull 4 cards, by the way. Patience. Ooh. Alright. Magician and patience. Whoa. Did you just really... Man, you got 3 major arcanas. Emperor. Alright, let me get one more card. Let's see if it's a major arcana. Taurus, can I get one more card, please? Can y'all believe it's almost October, which is my favorite? Ooh, you got the 5 of water. Okay. And in the bottom of the deck, we got the Queen of Fire. Sorry, I said this in the last video when I did Aries. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but I'm gonna get that situated. But I'm gonna do my readings first. Alright. Taurus. Bro is a universal word for me, so don't get mad. I will call anybody bro. I call my mom bro. I call my sister bro. I call my best friends bro. I call anybody bro. I don't know why, so please don't get offended. If you do, please let me know, and I probably won't say that again. This is me just now noticing the numbers, right? So this patient card, right, has 14. Add those numbers up, you get 5. Magician card, 1. 4. There's 5 again. 5 of water. 5 could be a significant number for you. And I just told somebody this, my sister, actually, what number 5 means. What number 5 means? What does it mean? I'm gonna have to look that up, and I'm probably gonna post that down at the comment, the description, and let you guys know what number 5 is a symbol of, okay? But you, Taurus, are really you are sitting right here on your throne, right? You're sitting on your throne. You know what you're going after. You're going after it too. You have the energy of a Leo. That's the energy that I'm getting, Leo energy. Where you are feeling like you're capable of doing anything, getting anything that you want. And that's where this Magician card comes into play. Because the Magician card is a manifestation where you attract anything and everything that you want in your life. Okay? But it's the patience. Patience is the key. You got to allow the things to come in and not force it and control it. because that's the energy that I'm getting from you guys. Is some of you may be trying to control a situation and it's not coming out how you want it to. Right? So take your time with the situation. Allow it to unfold how it should unfold and accept it how it is, okay? Allow things to basically brush off of you. Feel the situation, feel the emotions, believe in it, and let it go to source. Because if you are mainly like thinking about it constantly and trying to force a situation, it's not going to turn out in your favor, right? If I say right so many times, I'm sorry. I just have like automatic sayings. Yeah. What else does Taurus need to know? I did this in the last video too for Aries. I told them I was going to pull 4 cards, but I pulled 4 more just for some reason. Alright. Yep. You know things are starting to turn in your favor. You are realizing that it's your time to shine. It's your time to claim your crown. Steal it back if you have to, right? Because some people will try to take your crown from you. You got to steal it back, claim it back. 9 of Earth, right? Show your true self. Don't hold back. Because it is your time. It is your time to live the life that you want. I thought my dog was staring at me. It is your time to open a door to your success, right? Right here, the 6 of water. She's holding her stomach. She feels like she's not confident in getting what she wants. And she's looking, if you notice that in the background it's more sunnier than where she's looking, she just has to stand up and turn around. Okay, she has to stand up, realize how powerful and strong and confident that she is, and stop allowing yourself to believe you are less than confident. Focus. You can help with your sacral chakra, get that activated. It's probably blocked as we speak. Just turn around. Turn your negative mindset around. Turn your feelings around to positive. Lift your vibrations up. Show your true self. Allow yourself to claim your crown, your throne, your power. Be patient. That's all they're asking, is be patient. I know you probably hear that a lot, but being patient is the best thing. Slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to hurry up and get there, because once you get there like fast like that, it could leave you just the same as fast as you got there. Slow and steady wins the race. Build your confidence up. Build your vibration up to where you want it to be. Connect with yourself. Ground yourself, okay? No. I just heard the word no, like as I was starting to shuffle, and I'm like, alright. But you just need to allow yourself. Slow down. You need to allow yourself to slow down. and be patient, because what is meant for you will come to you. Don't force things that are not meant for you, because it's not going to turn out the way you want it to. Even if you're having it rough right now, and I know some people, most people, should I say, are in a rough spot, stagnant spot right now. But the sun always shines after a storm, right? There's always calm before the storm, and then the storm, and then the sun is right after to illuminate anything and allow things to wash you away. Rain is meant to be a cleansing, right? Rain is cleansing. You go out in that storm, you allow that storm to help you grow, right? When you go on that storm, you allow that rain to wash everything that no longer serves you down the drain, into the soil, the earth, right? You allow your spirits to take over. And then once that storm passes, you will be able to see clearly. You will feel a lot different than how you were feeling during the storm. You will feel more confident, more radiant. And not only that, when the sun shines, it helps people feel warmth inside. Like a little hug. But it's just you allowing the storm, right? Sit in the storm. That's being patient. Allowing the storm to come over, wash over you as it is. Don't force the storm to pass. Don't push it. Don't blow those clouds away. I know this is so weird to say. But just sit in the storm and allow the things to wash away. Feel all of the negativity to be gone. And then you will notice the storm starting to lighten up. You will see the clouds to disappear. You will feel more full on the inside, should I say. But yeah, there are some people out there, if you're watching this, you're probably not wanting to sit in the storm because it's probably too scary, too harsh, right? Too forceful. But that's where your spiritual team comes into play. They gotta push you past a point where you feel like you're not capable of handling anything. So that way they can come in, take over, and allow the things to come into your life. The storm is pretty much to stop you in place, right? The storm is, I don't know why I keep saying storm. There could be a storm coming up. Use that. But use it, right? Use the storm as a life lesson to keep yourself grounded, connected with nature. Allow yourself to have this storm stop you dead in your tracks. Dead in your tracks. You could be overworked. You could be underpaid. You could just feel like you are not good enough. Your confidence is the key, right? Your patience is the key to manifest your desired life. It's your time. Slow it down. See and just feel what you need to feel. See what you need to see. And let it go. Because the universe has got your back. It has your back. You know you know your worth. You know your true authentic self is about to come out and play. Don't force nothing into your life. That means jobs. That means relationships. That means your health. That means finances. That could just mean a lot of things. Don't force it. And if you feel like your emotions are getting overwhelmed where you just can't handle it no more, feel it. Allow it to take over. If you have to cry, cry. If you have to use a creative way to release yourself, like music, dance, anything like that, use it. Don't bottle your emotions up and not feel it. Bottle your emotions up and then release it. Feel your emotions. Once you release those negative feelings, those emotions, the mindset, you will feel the confidence within you. You will feel the lion, and you will hear it. You'll hear the lion roar within inside. And you will know when to take action and when not to take action. The more overwhelmed you are, the harder it is to think. The more scared you are, the harder it is to feel. The more you allow these emotions and these feelings to control you, you won't feel like yourself. You will feel like your emotions. Don't allow that to happen. You need to control your emotions so that way you can feel like yourself again. Wow, Taurus. I hope this resonated with some of you. It was a beautiful message. Beautiful. You are beautiful. All right. It's your time. It is your time to take your power and claim it. Go after what you want. Work towards it. Don't let nobody stop you or tell you how to feel. Alright, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys resonated. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to. You don't have to comment. You can just tell me by liking it or disliking it or subscribing. It don't really matter. I'm here to spread messages. Not for the likes, not for the followers, nothing like that. I just need to really get my voice out there. I'm feeling that call. Alright, Taurus. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you, spirit guides, ancestors, my guardian angels, for this beautiful message for Taurus. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.